What are you doing?
I'm thinking.
You're procrastinating, man.
I'm not procrastinating, man. I'm thinking about something that's really important, bro.
What is it? How do you keep from procrastinating?
Fuck, man, that's a hard one. I think there are a lot of techniques out there, man. I think for me, the easiest thing to stop from procrastinating to is have to have a plan, right? If you look at the measure and hack framework, vision, strategy, execution, measure and hack, the strategy part, right, the planning part, it's kind of where I call it the smart Michael, right? They call it either the elephant and the rider or the athlete and the coach, right? So the planning part, the strategy part of the measure and hack framework, that's when I get to be the smart Michael, right, the coach. And I can plan things out. I can sort of schedule things out and then see when I need to do certain things, right? And that usually for me happens on Sunday. So I find that if I plan things out and put it on the calendar, actually putting it on the calendar, then it helps me because it's almost like I have a commitment, right? And another thing that actually helps me even more is to have an appointment, not just with myself, but with someone else. I remember a long time ago, I used to want to, get fit with a buddy of mine. It was hard to commit myself to waking up in the morning and exercising. So there were three of us. So what we would do is that we would, all go work out together, and then at the end of the night, we will actually exchange our gym bags, right? So I'll take yours and give mine to him, and then he will, just like we'll swap it around. And the idea is that we got to take it home and we got to wash the laundry, we gotta do laundry, and then bring it for you the next day. And that's a commitment to you because guess what? If I don't show up the next day to work out, then I don't do my workout and you don't get to do your workout because you don't have your gym clothes because this was me. And humans are funny that it's almost like if we have a commitment to someone else, we're more likely to uphold that than to uphold a commitment to ourselves, which is silly, but that's human being. And ever since that experience, I kind of translated that now. So that's why I have, a lot of coaches and partners and teachers. So I always have what I call group projects, right? If it's on my calendar, I'm more likely to do it, right? If it's on my calendar with someone else, like for example with you, Jay, I know today we got to shoot, right? Had I just be like, hey, you know what? I got to create content today between 3 and 5. It's 3:05 right now. I might go, oh man, I'm lazy, I don't want to do that, right? And check on my Instagram, like check things out. Oh man, this is really cool, right? Before you know it, it'll be 6 p.m. and I'm ready to go home. But you're here. And if you're here, we gotta work, So that's what helped me to stop from, procrastination. I think it's really important to kind of, procrastinate. That's the execution part of the measure and hack framework, right? If you take it a step above it, go back to the strategy. Again, for me, my rhythm is every Sunday I plan out for the whole week, and every night I plan out for tomorrow, right? So I get even more detail, and I say, hey, you know what? What am I going to do between 9 to 10? What am I going to do between 11 to 12? And I also schedule in breaks. I schedule in call with my mother, and so on and so forth. I think, again, if I put it on my calendar, then I'm more likely to do it. If I put it on my calendar with someone else, like a teacher or a coach or whoever, make an appointment, then there's a 95% chance that I'm gonna do it because I'm more likely to cancel on myself than I am, with someone else. So there you have it. That's my little tip on how to get past procrastination.
And what do you say?
And I always say, push fucking forward, like the shirt, man. Get it on. You got this?
No, not yet. I need it.